whitecaps at Picnic Rocks, which is interesting because it's a sunny day and the air temperature is 30 degrees, but with that wind that's blowing up the whitecaps, it feels like you're not wearing any winter clothing at all. Like the wind just comes right through and gets right at you. It is viciously blowing today, which makes walking and being outside difficult. It's amazing. I don't remember seeing whitecaps on the lake in the winter time when I was a kid, and now I'm remembering you wouldn't have, because this would have all been frozen over. It's just in recent years that Superior hasn't been freezing that much. So anyway, you got your basic whitecaps at Picnic Rocks. If you're sitting someplace warm and cozy watching this, I think you're in the right spot.